Alright, here is Dad's 57 Chevy 210. Nice new paint. And it was like partial restoration, and it's still like some of the trim wasn't replaced and it's missing some of the trim, you can see. But really nice car, really nice driver. I forget the size of the motor, 260 something, 280 something, small Chevy V8. And it has a 3-speed manual with overdrive, which is cool and works well. It's pretty nice, actually. It's got some slotted mags. I don't know what they are. Dual exhaust. And no rust. The body's straight. All the bodywork's done. Floor pans have been replaced. They're all solid. No rust under the car. Yeah, really sweet car. New interior. Alright. That's it. Can't wait till Dad can drive it.